First, we're going to start with adding in some olive oil. Straight into the olive oil, we're going to add a good 50 grams of butter, and we're going to melt that down. Give all that a mix together. Now add in your minced garlic. And also our chili paste. Give all that a mix around so it all infuses with the butter. And into that we're going to want a good handful of prawns. And give all that a mix. Coat it all in the chili garlic butter that we've just made. It shouldn't take long to cook. You'll know when the prawns are cooked, they'll turn a vibrant orange, and you know you'll be ready. Wow, this is smelling amazing. Look at that colour. Look at that colour those prawns are getting. Oh, let's try to flip them all over. Make sure we cook each side evenly. Now this would be a great dish. If you had some rice, you could just put it on the side. This would be amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. These are almost done now. I'm just going to put in a bit of fresh parsley. I'm going to give that another mix up. That parsley just brings back the freshness. If you really want to get that fresh taste, you can always add a squeeze of lemon or a bit of lime. Take these, just place them into a nice serving dish. And like I said earlier, if you've got a bit of rice, have some rice with this.